Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the string handling. This is a common topic for class 10 and 12. Okay. So in this we will discuss about the string class and the different inbuilt functions which are present in the string class. Okay. So before starting the topic, first I explain you that what is a string. String is basically a collection of the characters. Okay. Suppose I take an example. For example, I take as a madam. So here you can see that it is a collection of the alphabets. So it is called as a string. So strings are always written within the double quotes and it is known as a string literal. Another example, suppose I take any alphanumeric, suppose A1 and I enclose it within a double quotes, then this will be also treated as a string. If I take any single character like 0 and I write within the double quotes, then it will be also treated as a string. Similarly, we can have a single alphabet also. Okay. So this will be also treated as a string. So these are the various examples of the string. Now, how we will find the size of the string? Okay, in bits and bytes. So size of string in bits and bytes. Okay. So as you know that each data type has its own size. For example, the size of the integer is your 32 bit and size of double big data type is your 64 bit. Similarly, the string is not a data type, it is a class. Okay. So what is it? It is a class. So how we will find the size of it in the terms of bits and bytes? Okay. So that will be equal to the number of characters present in the string multiplied with the size of one character. Okay. For example, suppose I take a string as a madam. Now I want to find the size of this particular string. So in bits. Okay. So how many characters are there? You can find here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 5 characters multiplied with the bits. So what is I have written here? Size of one character. The size of the single character is your 16 bit. So multiplied with 16. Okay. So which gives you how much? Okay. So we get that as a 80 bits. Okay. Similarly, we can find it in terms of bytes also. So in terms of bytes, how many characters? 5 into 2 byte. 2 byte is the size of a single character, which gives you 10 bytes. Okay. So this is the size of the string in terms of the bits and bytes. Okay. Now I will show you that how in the memory of the computer a particular string element is stored. Now I consider a string as a Manisha. Okay. This is a string I take. Now how the characters are stored in the string? For that we need to know about the index. Okay. So what is this index? This is a new term for you because we have not discussed this beforehand, especially for class 10. Okay. Class 12 already don't know these terms because they have done in class 11 also. So index is also known as a subscript. What is it? It is a location where the characters of the string are located, okay, this is the location where the characters of the string are located or stored, or we can also say it as a stored. Okay, the index is basically a numeric value and it starts from 0 and it goes till size -1. Now, why I am writing a size -1? Size is the actual number of characters -1. That will be the last index position where the last character of the string will stored. Now, suppose I take the string as a Manisha. Okay, so here the number of characters you are having. How many characters we are having here? We can simply count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are having here 7 characters. Okay. Now I want to get the index. Now the index will begin from 0 and it will go till 7 minus 1, that means 6, means 0 to 6. Okay. This is the index position. Now how it will be stored? As we put the character from the keyboard, it goes and located in the particular index. Now I show you here by making a block of the memory. Okay. Now in the first 0 position, the character which will store, that is your M, and then I will be entering the A, then A will go in the 1 position, then it will come in the N, so N will come in the second position. So we will have here N, then we are having I, then S, then H, then A. Means in the way we put the character, it starts storing in it. Okay. Now to operate on the string, we need some of the inbuilt functions. Okay. So before that, I tell you that in which package the string is stored. Package, you know that it is a collection of classes. Okay. Now string is a class. String, it is a class, and this particular class is a inbuilt class, and it is located in java.lang package, located in java.lang package. Okay. So where it is located? It is located in the java.lang package. Now what is function? Functions are the members of a class. Okay. So similarly, this string class are also having some members, the predefined methods, which are so inbuilt functions of string. Okay. So the first function is your length. Okay, these all functions are case sensitive, so we have to write in the order they are described in the Java library. Now what is the length function says? This function is basically used to find the number of characters, means how many actual number of characters are present in the string. It is used for that only. So we will write the definition as it is used to or used for finding actual number of characters. Okay, actual number of characters. Okay, now what is the syntax which we use? The syntax is we write int, then variable equals to string. Okay, this can be either a value or it can be a variable dot length. Okay, so int variable equals to string value or variable dot length. Now what is the use of this integer? We are writing here int because